Alright, got a service call. My furnace not working. Hear that motor running? That's the induced drive motor. So it's running, and nothing else is happening. What should be happening, that pressure switch, which is right here, should be closing, and this HSI should be coming on to light the burners. But that's not happening. 9 times out of 10, the reason why the pressure switch doesn't close, it's a very simple solution. We're gonna take a piece of thermostat wire. Let me get you over here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull this off, which most likely it's gonna tear. That's okay. Because what we're gonna do is we're gonna just cut that. Pop it right off there. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this piece of wire right here. And I'm gonna run it down this port. See that. Whichever way, let's see. Took that piece of wire and ran it down in that port. Now, I'm gonna put this back on here. And should have a working furnace. Induced drive motor. HSI. Burner's fired off. And in about 30 seconds, that blower will start running and they'll have heat. So, there you guys go.